me. I'm back. All right, look, we are chugging along. Y'all don't even know. All right, so in the last video, we applied the text wrap to the photo. In this video, and we noticed that the white was crazy in this one. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna fix this. But what the cool thing is, InDesign talks to Photoshop and it talks to Illustrator. So when we fix it, we're gonna be in InDesign, but InDesign's gonna open up Photoshop for us because it's that awesome. So we want to navigate to the Reagan crest. All right, make sure it's selected, and let's right click. Our right click does not want to work right now. I don't know why. Hang on. Oh, for whatever reason, it wasn't on InDesign. Okay, well, anyway, let's right click. Yours should have worked. Mine was just acting crazy. And let's go down to edit with, and let's choose Photoshop. Now, I have different versions of Photoshop on here because I test them, but that's okay. Photoshop. All right, Photoshop's gonna open for us, which is awesome. We want to select the magic wand tool, but before we select that tool, what you want to make sure is checked is this contiguous, okay? Because if contiguous is not checked, what's going to happen when we choose the magic wand is it's going to go inside the document and grab all the white all over. We want contiguous to be checked because we want it to be only the areas of white that connect, okay? See how the outside of the photo, they connect. We don't want it going inside. So make sure contiguous is selected. Is yours selected? Checked? Sweet. If yours is checked with the magic wand selected, go ahead and select on the outside of your box. Yes. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create a layer mask. And you're going to be like, oh my gosh, craziness just happened. And I'm be like, it's okay. Oh, yeah. It took the whole mask, but that's okay. We're just going to invert the mask. Yeah, it's too easy, right? So what we're going to do is the shortcut key is Control I. So let's go ahead and hit Control I, and we inverted the mask, and now we are happy. The background is transparent, so when we go back into InDesign, those transparent pixels, the white should not be there. That's what this does for us. So let's go ahead and hit Control S to save it, right? All right, and with your saved, you can either close Photoshop or you can keep it open. It's up to you. I'm just going to minimize mine. Now you're like, oh man, nothing really happened, but it did. Look at it. Just click on it, give it a second, and it goes away. What? Thank you, Photoshop. So now let's go to our layers panel, and let's go ahead and lock the images and graphics layer because for now, for this very moment, we are finished with the front of our page. So now what we're going to do is we're going to preview this, okay? So this is what yours should look like right now. This is what it should look like. Let's hit Control S2 just to make sure. This is what it should look like right now. Now, there are two modes. So what we want to do is we want to preview this, okay? So just so that you know, one of your best friends in InDesign is the W key. This is how you preview. So hit W, and now we have a preview of what our document should look like. And if you look at this and you look at your demo, the example that's in there, it looks exactly the same, except for your demo has a page 19 on it. Don't worry about that. But anyway, it should look exactly the same. So this right here, you've accomplished. The front of your brochure is done. It is awesome. It is beautiful. I like it. I'm so proud of you guys. You don't even know. I'm so proud of you right now. I could cry. It's like a graduation. You guys did this. You're amazing. So amazing. All right. So congratulations. The front of the brochure or the back of the brochure is done. So when we come back, we're going to do the front of the brochure. We're going to get started on that. Great job, guys. You rock. That part won't be as long as this part because you already learned a lot of the techniques that are needed to create that. All right. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. You rock. You rocked it, guys.